what's up guys? It's Ruth and this is how I do it solo. So I'm back with another makeup video, but this one is inspired by Miss Heart Evangelista. So I tried her glam look using the items and the products that I have with me. So I didn't do exactly what she did, pero ayan, medyo na-inspire lang ako mag-makeup, and I also wanted to do a Heart Evangelista inspired video. I also have a styling video, so if you want to see that, you can go to that part or you can watch it after this video. So ito yung final look. If you want to know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching this video. So to start our makeup, I'm going to use the Pond's Age Miracle Day Cream. So it has an SPF 18 and then wrinkle corrector siya. And sa video ni Heart, nilagay lang niya siya sa leeg at sa chin area.
Wow!
I'm in my late 20s.
What?
So I think this is the best time for me to prevent aging. Yan, anti-aging. So, kailangan ko to. Gusto ko rin to kasi mabango siya and hindi siya sticky or thick. After that, we're going to spray our face. So, this is the ELLANA Mineral Cosmetics Glass Skin Glow Cooling Facial Spray. So, parang ito yung pang-prep natin ng skin. So, shake lang natin. Parang meron siya mga pearly, glittery effect sa loob. Ang bango. It smells like roses. So, yung itsura niya sa bottle, parang siyang rose gold. After that, I'm going to be starting on my eyebrows. I'll be using the Benefit Brow Styler. So, ito yung merong pencil and powder on each side. This is the shade 3.5. So, sa ends ko lang muna ilalagay. This one doesn't come with a spoolie brush kasi yung end niya is a powder. So, gamit ako ng spoolie. Okay, first time ko lang ito matatry. So far, smooth naman siya yung application niya. Ayan, so ginamit ko lang siya pang outline ng eyebrows ko and pang fill nung dulo. Pero iba yung gagamitin ko sa inner part ng aking eyebrows. So for the inner part of my brows, I'm going to use the K Palette One Day Tattoo Lasting 2 Eyebrow Liquid. Ito yung favorite ko talaga. Hindi ko pa alam na ginagamit to ni Heart before, pero ginagamit ko na siya since 2015 nata. Basta favorite ko to pang drawing ng lines para mukhang may buhok ka sa gitna. Kasi ako, mayroon akong parang sparse area dito. So, dinodrawing ko siya. Which is, sobrang daling gamitin na to, liquid. So, magdodrawing lang ako ng lines. Tapos, subtle lang yung effect niya. Perfect to if you want to have that bushy look. And this shade is 02. Hindi ito yung darkest nila, pero okay lang siya sa akin gamitin. Yan. So, ganyan yung effect niya. Ang problem lang dito sa K-Palette is dapat hindi siya ma-dry kasi kailangan sobrang sikip. One time, nagkaroon ako ng ganito and then parang naiwan ko siya sa makeup kit ko na medyo nakabukas. And then, nag-dry siya. Hindi ko na siya nagamit. So, sayang. Kasi, medyo expensive si K-Palette. So, dapat maingat sa pag-store. Yan. So, I'm okay with that. Medyo natural effect. Pero yung kay Miss Heart, gusto niya dark yung eyebrows niya. So, babalik ako using the Benefit Brow Styles. And then, i-fill ko siya with the powder. And then, isi-set ko siya using this K Palette Lasting Eyebrow Mascara. And ayan, we're done with our eyebrows. So, to set that, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade number 20 para linisin ko yung eyebrows. Perfect tong concealer na to kasi ito yung gamit ko pang cut ng eyebrows para mas mukhang malinis yung kilay mo. Kasi ako tamad ako pag-groom ng kilay. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Concealer. And then, i-spread ko siya. And then the rest, biniblend ko dito sa may gitna. So, ayan, we have clean cut eyebrows. So, kahit hindi ako nag-groom, mukhang groomed siya. Okay, so the next step, I'm going to be applying my base or foundation. For today, ayoko na masyadong heavy yung sa skin kasi medyo nagbe-breakout ako. So, medyo takot ako gumamit ng foundation. So, ang gagamitin ko lang is this Pond's White Beauty BB Plus CC Cream. So, meron siyang SPF 30+. This is the shade Light. So, yung texture niya, medyo moussey. Parang BB cream. Ganun. So, I applied with my fingers. And then I kind of pat it a little bit using my fingers before I go in with the sponge. Same sponge. Gusto ko siyang basain ng onte. So I'm gonna spray. So you don't wanna drag your foundation to your skin. So mas maganda is if you're using a sponge, pat-pat lang. Do not drag your skin. Kasi nga, sabi ni Miss Hart, you are aging every second of the day.
What?
So, ganyan lang. Pat-pat lang. Okay, next, I'll be using the same Maybelline concealer for my under eyes. And, i-conceal ko rin yung mga pimples ko. Medyo nag-breakout ako lately. Siguro kasi pag nagkakasakit talaga ako, nadadry yung skin ko at nagbe-breakout siya. Kahit na oily ako. So, ayan. And then, dab lang with fingers. So, ayan. Tapos na tayo sa ating concealer. And I'm gonna set some areas using a powder. This is the INNISFREE No Sebum Mineral Powder. Gusto ko to kasi perfect siya for oily girls like me. So, ginagamit ko lang yung puff na kasama sa product. And then, yan. Ginagamit ko siya parang pang-set, pang-bake, pang-light bake, ganyan. Pang-everyday, or kapag throughout the day, feeling ko oily na ako. Ayan, dala ko siya kasi maliit lang siya, handy. So, ayan yung pang-freshen up. Papagpag ko lang siya. At, gagamitin ko siya parang wipe off ng excess. Because I don't have a brush with me. So, ito lang yung gagamitin ko. Okay, so once that's set, we're gonna go on to contouring. So, first, kung kinokontour ay ang aking nose. Ito yung ginagamit ko. Into It Eyebrow Color. Pang eyebrows talaga siya. Pero ginagamit ko yung lightest shade to contour my nose. So, I start from the eyebrows, going down. And then, ginagamit ko rin siya pang contour ng eye shape ko. Just to give it a little base, a little bit of shadow, para magmukhang malalim yung eyelids ko, diba? And then, we're going to contour our face. I'm gonna be using Benefit Cheekleader Bronze Squad. At sa palette na ito, merong Hula, which is a contour shade, and there's a Hula Caramel. Meron ding blush, which is the Coralista, and then highlighter, Cookie, and parang blush and highlighter in one, Gold Rush. So I'll be using the Hula bronzer. So I just used the brush that comes with it. And then, parang dinadab ko siya ganyan. Just to slightly contour. If I want to look more bronzy, I use the Hula Caramel. So, I just do a 3. So next, we're going to do the eyes. I'm going to be trying out this new palette. This is from Pink Sugar. It's called Eye Candy palette. And it comes with the shades. So medyo neutral siya. Ang cute niya kasi maliit lang siya and I can bring it with me. First, I'm gonna be using this light brown shade. And then, gagamitin ko siya parang pang bronze to warm up my eyes. And then, I learned this trick from Miss Heart. I'm gonna be using this dark brown eyeshadow as an eyeliner. So, lately pala is eyelash extensions ako. If napapansin nyo, nagpagawa ako ng eyelash sa AYUMI in Green Hills at tinry ko ang kanilang bagong 3-structure eyelash extensions. So, ito yung parang longest nila. I think this is 12.
Wow!
Ayan. And then, yung process na yun is kinurl muna nila yung original lashes, your own lashes, bago sila nag-apply nung extensions. So, medyo nahihirapan ako maglagay ng eyeliner kapag naka-eyelash extensions ako. So, hindi ko na yun itatry today. Okay, next, I'm going to put highlight in the middle of my eyes using this kind of champagne gold. So, fingers lang. And then, ipapop ko here. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna use this brown metallic. So, medyo pigmented siya. Kaya, tinone down ko siya with the brown. That makes sense. Again, I'm just gonna go back to that light brown. Just blend it again. And I'm gonna use that as well underneath my eyes. And then, I'm going to use the brush that comes with it. And I'm going to put this champagne color. Okay, ayan. I think I'm done with the eyes kasi naka-lashes na nga ako and I don't have to put on too much eyeliner or mascara or anything. I'm scared to put on anything. So, I guess I'll just brush it with a spoolie. Sabi daw kasi suklayin daw yung buhok. Kasi ako tamad daw magsuklay ng buhok. Kasi pag di mo sinuklay, napansin ko madali siyang natatanggal. Tsaka maganda effect niya pag sinuklay. Nag-iwalay siya. Okay. Magli-lip balm muna ako. Nakalimutan ko. So, I'm using Shiseido Color Gel Lip Balm. So, itong lip balm na to is may kulay siya. If you want na ganyan lang yung effect, ayan. Next thing that we'll do is the blush. So, I wanted to try this. It's the Colorette Velvet Tint in the shade Rosé. It's the new formula. New colors. Sobrang favorite ko to nung naglabas sila ng 3 shades. And then, eto na nga. Lumabas na ulit sila. Bumalik na sila with new formula and new colors. Siguro I'll try to make a swatch video here or on my IG. Pero lately, medyo busy. So, let's see when. So, I'm gonna use this as a blush. Here lang, sa apple ng aking cheeks. Natutunan ko is you put 2 fingers and then after that, that's the apple. Ayan. Ang dami ko apple nalagay. Well, knowing Colorette kasi sobrang pigmented nung products nila. So, dapat onti lang siguro yung nilagay ko. Pero ayan. So, medyo mahirap lang kasi naglagay na ako ng powder. Pero di naman siya liquid. Parang more on velvet naman siya. So, I think I can blend it out. Nagmumukha lang siyang red lalo dahil sa aking pimples. Dahil may pimples ako dyan. Yan. Okay. And then, don't worry if it looks like a clown. What? Gamitin ko tong Gold Rush. And I'm going to parang diffuse or veil it over that blush. Ayan. Medyo pantay na siya. So, cream blush and then a powder blush para pak na pak yung blush mo. Ayan, medyo highlighting din tong blush na to. So, parang golden hour. Golden hour yung look ng blush. Ayun nga eh, Gold Rush. Gold Rush yung ano. Yung pangalan niya. Ayan, parang nga siyang golden hour. So, I'm going to be using the Gold Rush in my eyelids para mukhang golden hour din yung aking eyes. And then, I'm gonna use the highlighter cookie. I'm gonna use my fingers. And then, slide it like that. A little bit on my nose. Over here. And then on top of my lips. Okay, we're almost done. I'm going to remove my lip balm and I'm going to be using the same Rosé Velvet Tint as a lip liner. And then I'm going to be using this Clinique Blushing Pop Lipstick. Ito yung pinaka-favorite kong nude lip color. As in, ito yung perfect sa shade ko. And last but not the least, I'm going to be using Fenty Glow Gloss. Just on the middle part para may glossy effect. Okay, so this is the final look. Ayan, inspired by Miss Heart Evangelista. Kumakan na ba siya? Aww. Kasing yaman ko na ba siya? Charot. So, ayun guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Sana may natutunan kayo kahit papano. And if you like this video, panoorin niyo rin ang part 2, which is all about Miss Heart's style and fashion. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye!